going on? What on earth?
I get stuck, Dad. I can't get down.
You can't get down there.
Badger can't even get up.
What are you doing, Badger?
I'm trying to get up to Bob, Dad. Bob's up there, Dad. Dad. Dad.
Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Did you enjoy that?
He likes being thrown, actually. I used to do it with him on the bed. He just comes back for you to do it again.
Do it again, do it again, do it again. You ready? Do it again, do it again, do it again. Really like that, really like that. Go with it. Ready? Whee!
He loves it.
I'm not doing it too much because I'm worried that you'll get... Alright, you calm down. That is...